I am Siti Zabina. I joined Atomy 2 months ago.
Wow.
And I'm very happy. I have a lot of, I myself, this is to share my testimony, that I have a gastric problem for a long time. I cough most of the time, and I drink all the time, and I cannot control my bladder, and I go to the toilet very often. As you can see now, today I only went once, I think.
Before the meeting.
Before the meeting, yeah. So that's it. But now it's full again. I have to go again. But before I go, I would like to share with you. Yeah. So okay, I have problem with gastric. It's getting better, and I like to share. I like to share, and the first person that approached is my sister-in-law. She looks so weak because she's suffering from cirrhosis for more than 30 years. Nothing that can cure her at the point of time. Yeah. So when I see her, I introduced HemoHIM, and I took the photos. I will share later. Yeah? So after 2 weeks, her skin changed. Of course, it goes with the lotion, body lotion, yeah, and it's itchy, especially the weather is so hot, yeah. Before this, now it's getting better. The weather so hot. When the weather is hot, the rashes start coming out, and it's I mean the problem that people with the skin disease. But as time goes by, then I keep on checking on her, taking photos of her, and whatnot, and then. To cut long story short, after I think 2 boxes of HemoHIM, and that day Hari Raya, her forehead is so shining already. Now I started on my son, bipolar. He always have to take the medication. He had been suffering since he was 11 years old. Now my eldest son is, you'll be surprised if I say, is 51. Okay, don't ask my age. Okay. But HemoHIM, really, that's what I said. I feel good and beautiful. I think you know why. It's all because of HemoHIM. Alright? So it's part of it. And then my son, I think since fasting month, I've tried on HemoHIM. He likes it. He said it calms him down, you know. And after finishing 1 box, so yesterday, the first night that he can sleep without the sleeping pill.
Wow.
So that's my testimony.
What about your personal? How do you came across
HemoHIM. Atomy. I keep on saying HemoHIM. Okay. I am quite big, you know, in a sense. So from young, I like to, and every woman likes to look good. Okay. So now we are retiree. I spend a lot of money on my skincare, whatnot, especially advanced age, and I use what's the skincare? Apa pak?
The 6 system before.
No. Before I pakai apa? Clinic. So clinic, okay. So the for advanced skin, you have to spend more lah. So for my night cream, I spend almost 300, 1 small bottle, and then my day cream 200 plus. 2 bottles, it already cost me 500. So I am always in contact with my friend Habibah, my upline. So we have known each other more than 30 years. So I call her because I know she's also very conscious person. She wants to look good all the time. So I asked her, Bah, I want to change my product now. Can you recommend me anything is much cheaper? That's what she said. You come at the right time, Kak Bina. Right, Bima? You come at the right time, and now I'm using this Atomy, and I straight away trust her, and straight away buy, right? That's where I started. Yeah, that's how I started. So now I said, like everybody says, if you want to sell, you have to be the walking product.
Yeah.
Okay? So I have to use on myself. And now, guess my age, I'm 71.
Wow.
Okay, now I'm telling you my age.
And our skin is so good. Yeah.
So, okay. So now I open my stomach. So with the skincare, the six system and all that, I have open pores here, they are closed. And then my wrinkle a little bit here. So it leave my skin, but I think I look better. So I look better, so because of that, it's not difficult for me to sell my product. Okay? And because of my health, it's not difficult for me to push the products.
Yes.
I really have to say her health has improved.
Yes.
Because the first time Habiba took her here, I was wondering sitting there, why this lady keep coughing? She couldn't stop.
I couldn't stop.
And then she coughed, it's nothing like just cough. Oh, until her face red. And then she gotta go to her. And then she come back again, and then she drink, and then she cough again, and then she cough, and then she come back again, and she cough, and then she go to toilet. I said, what's wrong with her?
That's how close our relationship are.
Yeah.
You so we know each other too well within a short while. Thank you, Ken.
And then I see the change in her after taking HemoHIM and skincare. Wow, she hardly go to toilet at all. She hardly coughs, you know. This is proven, really proven. And
So-
that's why she's so happy. She sells HemoHIM a lot.